In this video series, we'll be discussing SharePoint approval workflows. Now, there are several types of approval workflows that can be created in various ways and with varying complexity. But in these next few tutorials, we'll focus on a simple serial workflow with a single approver. We'll do this by going from basic to advanced. Our basic serial workflow will be created based on a SharePoint Online out-of-the-box template. And then we'll move on to complete the same workflow in SharePoint Designer 2013, and then move on to Visual Studio 2012. Here you can see a basic serial approval workflow. In future videos, we'll discuss parallel workflows such as this, but for now we'll be focused on serial workflows. First, we'll look at the out-of-the-box workflow template in SharePoint Online. I'll create a new document library and add an approval workflow to it and set the workflow to automatically start when an item is created. Next, I'll add an approver to my workflow. In this case, I'm using a test user called SPO Test 5. I'll ignore these other options for now and click Save. Now I'll upload an item. In this case, it'll be an image, but this will work for Excel files, Word documents, and PDFs, etc. After I've uploaded my item and refreshed the page, you can see that the workflow is in progress. Now we'll open Office 365 Outlook as our test user, SPO Test 5, and see the email notification details. You can also open the document library item via this notification. One of the disadvantages of this type of workflow can be found here in the body of the email. If you'll notice, step 3 says use the Open this task button to mark this task as complete. If I've received this email in an Outlook client application and not in Office 365, a button might be used to complete the task. However, for the approver to complete the task, they will need to navigate to the task list and approve the item. Once the task has been approved, the workflow is complete. Now we'll discuss how to accomplish this same workflow in SharePoint Designer 2013. If you found this video helpful and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and/or give us the thumbs up.